Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to the ultimate guide on replacing the screen of your Surface Pro 5. In this tutorial, we will break down the process into manageable steps, ensuring you have all the information needed for a successful repair. First, let's gather the tools you will need. You will require a heat gun, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a Torx T5 screwdriver. Make sure to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small components. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 5. Disconnect it from any power source to ensure a safe working environment. Next, use the heat gun to apply gentle heat around the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive, making it easier to separate the screen from the device. Once the adhesive is heated, place the suction cup near the edge of the screen and pull gently while using the plastic opening tool to pry the screen away from the device. Be patient during this step to avoid damaging the internal components. If you encounter resistance, reapply heat as needed. After separating the screen, you will see several screws securing the display connector. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. It's crucial to keep track of all screws, as they vary in length and size. Now, disconnect the display connector from the motherboard. Gently lift it away using your plastic opening tool. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. Once the old screen is removed, it's time to prepare for the new screen installation. Before proceeding, clean any dust or debris from the internal area. This is important for ensuring the longevity of your new screen. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, take your new screen and align it with the device. Carefully connect the display connector back to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely in place. Once connected, replace the screws you previously removed. Before sealing the device, power it on to test the new screen. Ensure that the display functions correctly and there are no issues with touch response. If everything is working perfectly, proceed to seal the screen back onto the device using adhesive strips or double-sided tape. As you press the new screen into place, apply even pressure around the edges to ensure a solid bond. Allow some time for the adhesive to set before using your Surface Pro 5 again. If you don't have the tools or prefer a more convenient solution, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel required. Finally, if you are looking for a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We provide transparent pricing to help you make an informed decision. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on replacing your Surface Pro 5 screen. Enjoy your newly repaired device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.